Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic in Dutch. They call it Cyber Block in Japanese Suguru. In additional of the weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday. It's actually today, Sunday, November the 17th, 2024. And I've already solved 3 puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. So it's time now for the jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 9610. And before I start, I always count up printed digits. This one has 13 printed digits. Well, the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 13. Don't think it's a 4 stars, but it's indicated by the publishers with the 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here a dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I cannot fill this yet. So let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 2. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Yeah, here triple box, there triple box. The 1 is already given, so those 2 boxes will be 2 and 3, 2 and 3. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, well, we have a 5 in the same area. So it can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. Here the same. Cannot fill this yet. Insufficient information right now. But the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. We have a 5 in the same area, so it can be 5 anymore. This box will be a 4. Next question, do we have quadra boxes? I see here a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3. And this quadra box should be there, so 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. More quadra boxes here, another quadra box. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Well, then, my next step, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. Is connected with that box, will be so 4. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape. What about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one. Upside down. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2 here. More? No. Then the following shape. About the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more L shapes here, another one. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then, the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 2 goes there. 2 and 3, we have 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. Then, let me see. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can be 1 and more. If I place a 1 here, I can fill any one in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this dual box should be here. And the other box should be the number 2. Then these two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These two boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes. So only 2 can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Then, let me see. Well, these two boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1. So the only place so the only 2 places left in this area for the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can't be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So not the solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. Then let me see. These 3 boxes. So around the 1 can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape. 4 numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. This box can be 1. This box can be 5. So 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. This box can be 1. So 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there then. Come on. Well. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a 2 here. And I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. If I place a 2 here, then I can fill any 2 in one of these 3 boxes. And I need a 2 in one of these 3 boxes. So it's not a solution to place 2 there. The only place level 2 should be here. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. So if eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there then. 1 box left in this triple box for number 3. These 3 boxes, so and the 3 can be 3. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for 3 in this area. It's supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 to 5. 4 to 5. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 to 5. 4 to 5. Well, I don't think this box will be a 4, because if I place a 4 here, then these 3 boxes can be 4. But also that box can be 4, and we need a 4 in one of these 3 boxes. So this box should be rather a 5, and that box should be a 4. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 1 goes in there. 4 and 5. We have 5 now. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 4 goes in there. Then this box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this quadra box. Supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 4. So the 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this quadra box for number 3. Alright, now. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. And this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 1 and a 4. We have 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 4 goes in there. Then Let me see. Let me see. These two boxes can be one. Those two boxes can be one. We have a double one there. So the only place left with one in this area, supposed to be here, is connected with that box. So one. These two boxes can be two. That box can be two. So one box left with the two in this area, supposed to be here. This box can be three. So three could be here, could be there. Mark those two boxes a little bit one. We have a one now, so this box can be one anymore. That box should be a one. Then come on. Then think. Well, this box give me three, that box give me three, and this box give me three. So one box left for the three in this area. Supposed to be there. Mark those two boxes over three. We have three now, so this box give me three anymore. That box should be a three. Two numbers left in this area. For numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Okay. These two boxes can be five, so one box left for five in this area. Supposed to be there. Two numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Well, these two boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1. Those two boxes can be 1. So one box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. Two numbers left now in this area for the numbers 2. And the 5, we have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 4, because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5, yes, definitely a 4. These two boxes can be 3, so one box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area, supposed to be there. And two numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, so no 1 here. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright, now. Then, this box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. How about the 2? This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so one box left for the 2 in this area, supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. One box left in this area for number 4. 1 and the 5, we have 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 4 and the 2, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 4 and the 5, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then. This box can be 3, that box can be 3, so one box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 3, so one box left for 3 in this L-shaped area. Supposed to be there. And the final 2 numbers in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 4. We have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 13 minutes. Well, told you. Should be at 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So I'm very pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the other puzzle, the Samurai Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.